Okay, and then this leads me back over that way. Oh, let me grab those. What?
Yep, that's what you wanted.
Thanks.
Context sensitive.
All right. So I guess
Take
we
a
go.
look at this front door again,
Okay.
just to double check.
It's a Mobius lock.
Yeah.
So.
All right, we're good. I just wanted to take a look just to double check that side.
Yeah.
What is this? This is the safe house is what building? Do we even
That one.
Like, I mean, what is it? It's just
like
just
a shed. Yeah, it's like a workshop.
Because I'm just like, is that one dude like just chilling in the fucking post
Yeah,
office?
just chill in the shed. Yeah.
So we need to go back to the fucking there it is
Right
tap
there,
room, and then we need to head back to.
Oh,
Hey, look at that!
God.
She's just running straight at us.
Oh, okay, cool.
He runs like he's under fucking water.
Yeah. He's got the dream run.
It's so fucking annoying. You don't need to sneak. She knows where you are.
She's like, I'm gonna get you.
She's not gonna bust through the wall like the Kool-Aid Man. This
You
game
know-
isn't that in depth.
Yeah, it might. Hey, I found one of your.
So this is his art? It's just a photo. I'm gonna stab the shit out of you.
Bitch.
Hooray. It's a boss.
It changed clothes. Alright, I guess I'll go home.
Shit. Locked.
Oh my god.
Or something.
Don't cry. You're becoming ours. You shall be part of my obscura.
Like the camera obscura?
Less malleable than clay.
Oh.
Soft.
Yeah, you didn't even notice the first one.
No.
No, it's just like he's not even gonna look that way, is he?
No. No.
Oh, I can't concentrate like this. A sculpture doesn't need.
Hello? Stop talking so I can pick up the fucking key.
Thanks, bud.
Did they just expect you to like just stop and look at it?
I guess. Thanks.
Wow. Smoke bomb. Oh, that's actually pretty good though. You picked up the shotgun shot!
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh, okay.
You gotta go around.
Yeah. Cool.
Run. Run. Don't mind me. Do we have an axe?
Yeah. I don't. Okay, he's like eating something. This guy. Okay.
Rawr.
Okay. Okay.
Rawr.
Oh, okay.
Okay, one of them's against the wall.
I'm afraid to move because as soon as I do. Yep.
There you go. Yep.
There you go, lady.
Yes. Myself, personally, I'm not a big fan of stealth.
Yeah.
I don't have the patience for it.
I do if it works. You know what I mean?
Yeah. But, like, I don't like, you know, like a lot of the...
Like, look, he just moved.
Yeah.
When he was sitting there banging against the side
Well,
of
it's because you got close, and so he's been turned on by you.
it.
He smells you,
Oh, okay.
and he got turned on.
Okay. Gonna go.
Yeah, now he's coming back around this way. Because the AI knows where you are.
Yeah. Just turn around, sir. Sprint away.
And now he's going to come back around.
Okay.
Now he's going to come back around.
Okay. I see. So he's gonna turn around again, and then I can
No,
get
he's
him.
going to come this way. See? Because you're over here.
Actually,
You know what? Fuck it. Bleh.
fucking dick.
Like,
All
where are you going?
I'm gonna go grab an axe.
Oh, right. There was an axe.
Yeah, it's over here. Thank
Yeah,
you.
I just be myself. I have no patience for stealth games. Like sometimes they can get into me. Like I like Metal Gear.
Mm-hmm.
You know, Metal Gear
It's
Solid
a different
is
kind,
a
though. You know,
fun one.
and it works.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta mash. Okay.
But especially whenever you're waiting all this time to get something right, you know, and then as soon as you step forward, the person turns around. You're like,
Yeah.
well.
No, then it just doesn't work.
But I'm like, even the one that are like, oh, it's totally what you're supposed to do. You watch their patrols and you see what they're doing. Like Thief,
Oh, there it is.
I really do not have. I have. Bam!
Oh.
He just walked right into it.
Yeah. My bad. What does it say? Lisa Crane. Okay. Oh, I see what this is. All right. I don't think I can get under that. I can get under this. What? Oh. Okay. Well. Excuse me.
Still not gonna heal you the whole way.
No. I guess we go this way. Okay. Good, good. There's one right in front of me.
Yeah, you're not getting through.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting through that. Okay, so that's not the way. And then go this
Zap.
way. Yeah. Well, you know what? 1 second. What if I... isn't there a crafting thing? What is it?
At a crafting menu.
No,
yes.
you can craft on the go. Remember?
You can craft bolts on the go, I think.
No, I think I should be able to craft like anything, really. Let me see. Inventory. Equipment.
Oh, well, I think it costs more. You would do it from your fucking radial menu, not from the inventory.
I see. Okay. Just in case I need one.
Okay, Hoffman. Hope you're right about destroying these things.
Okay.
Here we go.
I did it. Oh, it got in my mouth. Yeah, I'd seen a video of someone.
Was actually therapeutic, but I'm not done yet.
One a YouTuber playing through this, and he got up to that, and he's like, "All right, I know what I'm doing," and he steps forward and he hits one of the electric things that somehow teleports. It like glitched, so he teleported into the middle of like 4. And could do nothing but get touched by the electrical wire and died. He's just like, all right, this is easy. Instantly, it one teleports, and he just fucking gets killed. It's fucking hilarious.
Yeah.
Now she's just running for no reason.
All right. Goodbye. And then the next one is way down there.
Just keep going. She sees you. Like, you can stay hidden until, like, the eye shows up. Once the eye shows up, means you're no longer hidden.
Yeah. Can't. I'm too tired.
I like that you didn't even check anything.
What?
Like, are you sure
Yeah.
you're heading the right way?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Fuck you, bitch.
Okay.
God, your stamina regen's so fucking slow. It's so stupid. Hates it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Because I think at the crafting menu it only takes like 1.
Yeah.
Now it takes what, 2?
Yeah.
Let's finish this.
Now do the same thing. What
Oh
the
my
fuck is that?
Fucking. It's another piece of art, Jeff.
Oh, it's
Oh,
her
it's
again.
camera lady.
Yeah, just recycled your same boss. Sure.
Do I have to fight her? Is that what's
Not
going
really.
on?
I think you can sneak around.
Okay. Oh, there it is.
Huzzah.
Just grab that.
All right. This should get me close to that art.
Okay, don't care. Start moving. What?
Oh,
Shit. Maybe I can sneak by.
it was already here, Sebastian. You'd seen it already.
Yeah, go that way.
Fuck off, bitch. She just runs everywhere.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's gonna run straight down here. Perfect. Done.
Oh.
Oh, fuck off.
Oh no.
The game fucked up. So you have to do that part again.
Okay, accept and report
Yeah,
things.
we'll cut all this. Get back in. Oh, get back. Do another sync.
Yeah. That I couldn't fucking have asked for anything better.
Yeah.
Shit. Okay, well,
Alright, we're still there.
yeah.
Maybe it. Oh, I was like, maybe it saved right after we did the thing.
Okay, as soon as we got the key.
Yeah, because it did save right as soon as we got
Okay.
the key. But I was just like, I don't know if it tried to save as soon as we opened that one door.
No, just go to the left. Yeah, go that way. Just gonna go forward. Yeah, go that way.
And hide behind these.
Go away. Cool.
Keep going.
I just don't trust it. Alright, here we go.
And we did it. And it saved. Continue.
Made it.
That was what fucked it up. The save fucked it up.
Done with those things for a while.
So hopefully once we get past this area, it'll save properly.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, that's what happened. That save file, that auto save just crashed the game for some reason.
Oh, another one of these.
What did you think it was going to be something different? We did the exact
Kinda.
same
I
thing
thought
again.
it would. No, it's a little different, but I thought it would be like, you know, oh, you gotta do a little different. Oh. Okay. Ooh.
Go that way.
Yeah. Oh. Excuse me.
That's so fucking lazy. That's
Yeah.
yeah. And then it explodes, and you're like,
Hooray!
that happened for some reason.
You destroyed my art.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
That's both of them.
We did it.
Should have done the trick. Better head back to the theater and see if I can get in.
Let's go save.
Yep. I'll go to the safe house. I'll have some coffee.
Have some coffee. Hey, look at that. It saved without crashing the entire fucking game.
Let me just mark off safe house.
It's just around the side of the building.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yeah, I could. I'm just
Yeah, I
gonna
don't
go
think
this
you
way.
can get that way.
It's kind of the long way.
There you go. Jump through that fence.
Mm-hmm.
Aha! There we go. I think we grabbed everything we could in this area.
Except for that lady.
What?
There's like one of them powerful zombies over there.
We don't need to kill everything in the area.
You get brain juice and stuff.
I think we have enough brain juice to get one of the updates, so we can at least go into the Mind Palace.
I'm gonna drink your coffee, bud. He's like, whoa.
Go in the Mind Palace, see if there's anything. I don't think we picked up any parts, but we did pick up brain juice, so we can get an upgrade.
Mm-hmm.
One cup of coffee is better than like
Drugs.
3 healing.
Yeah.
Like, Jesus Christ.
What are these drugs? It's like an aspirin.
Yeah.
it's the equivalent of like liquefied
It's a little
aspirin.
bit of Novocaine. Doesn't that not really do anything? It just kind of numbs. Yeah. Oh, you have 260 parts.
Yeah. Crafting. I can get some fucking
Make
bullets.
some fucking. You can make
Oh,
3
yeah, I can make
or make more handgun bullets.
Yeah, I'll probably do the handgun. Thanks.
And we also have a key.
Yeah. Weapons upgrades.
Harpoon ball upgrade?
I'd have to have, like... Do I have? I do have high grade.
Or you can check pistol ammo, see if we can do damage.
It's like 400 for that.
Jesus, that's so expensive.
No.
Yeah. I mean, we can save up to 400
Yeah.
to make our pistol actually worth something.
Yeah. What about you, though?
We have
240?
0 bullets for it, I want you to remind you.
Yeah, that's true.
We have enough for it, but we do have
We'll hold it.
0 bullets.
We'll hold it. Thanks.
We're just below the 1200. We could have gotten a health upgrade.
I see you're in need of my services again.
Well, open up the key first, see if we can find some brain juice.
Yeah, that'd be great, wouldn't it? Huh. Let's see. Which lock are you feeling, Jeff?
I don't care.
Okay, this one.
It's all random.
Oh,
Oh, med kit.
okay.
Yeah, it's a good heal.
Cool. That's it.
That's it. That's all you get.
All right.
You didn't level up.
No, I didn't. My bad. I thought when you said, "Oh, we don't have enough for that thing," and I was like, "Oh, then never mind then."
Well, no, that was just for the one high grade upgrade
Yeah.
if we wanted to get it. But you were wanting to get the stealth stuff,
so we can get the kill him
so you
from
can
a
walk
distance.
faster.
Kill him from a distance. That's what I want. This one. That's 1200. Yeah, we can do that.
We'll call it.
All right.
That'll be good for that. Let's go to the whatever we're going.
The theater.
We're probably going to a full-on boss fight. We
Yeah.
have like no ammo.
Yeah, that's how it's gonna be. It's like you can go explore and get more ammo, I guess.
But while you're exploring, you're also using all of your ammo.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, I've got crossbow bolts.
Yeah.
So there's that at least. But I'm full on like harpoons and stuff. I can't carry that much. And I'm full on that too.
Yeah. We'll do a quick
I'm gonna
save. And then we'll head to the theater. To the final boss fight where we have no ammo.
Yeah.
Upside. Saving works.
Yeah.
Didn't crash us back out to the fucking main menu.